Granny should have put a little bit more water in that battle.
Hey everyone, this is Papa Sam's Grilling Show. Coming from your life at Papa's house. And Papa, what you making today?
Well, I'm gonna make some onion rings. Getting the grease hot. It's already at 250.
Yeah, it's hot.
And I've got some steaks on here, some ribeyes, and I'm gonna have some potatoes, onion rings, the whole works. For appreciation for everybody coming and helped me work yesterday. And we're gonna have a pretty good feast. Can't do no better than onions and potatoes and steak, can you?
Can't beat that.
And for dessert, carrot cake.
You want to give your audience a quick look at the steak?
In a few minutes.
All right.
It took a minute. Anyway, Granny is mixing up some batter in the house for onion rings. You ever had homemade onion rings?
Never.
Do you like onion rings?
Yes, sir.
Well, we'll see what happens. Like I say, we're gonna have ribeyes, and there's a shot of them right there.
Oh my gosh, Bob.
Getting ready. We're putting the smoker to the roker.
Yep, and Papa's gonna sit down and relax on this beautiful May 28th.
Papa's tired for some reason. I've been up here since 3 o'clock.
I know.
Just beat. Break them apart and drop them in there just like that.
Yep.
Go in the house and get some paper towels.
Yes, sir. I'll get you.
Granny should have put a little bit more water in that battle. Go in the house and get some paper towels just in a minute.
Yes, sir. Here goes Grandpa dumping them all in there.
It looks like it's going to turn out all right.
They sure do. Oh my goodness, they look.
That's nice. Check them out and see what we got. I would call that rare, wouldn't you?
Yeah, it's rare.
That's perfect.
Smells so good, everyone. They're gonna turn out well, Pop.
You think so?
I think so.
Always remember, cook right around 350 degrees. Then you take them in the house.
They look good.
Is your papa a mastermind or not?
He sure is.
He knows how to cook. You know how I learned how to cook?
How?
When I was little, we used to have a camp in the woods,
Yes, sir.
and we would do anything. We'd cook anything. We'd barbecue chicken. It didn't make no difference. Young chicken, old chicken. We'd do it.
It's all good eating.
All good.
If Papa's making it, it's gotta be good. Well, everyone, Papa Sam's getting close to done with his onion rings.
Don't laugh at me, nobody. I know what I'm doing. them on top of that pot. Hold that right there.
Alright.
Get back to the steaks, man.
Yeah, they're all cooking.
Go get me a paper towel to wipe my hands off.
Yes, sir.
Hurry up with it, too. Go. And to get them out.
And for those who like to watch Papa Sam cook, make some of your ideas that you want Papa to cook.
We'll cook anything from groundhog to